The old moped finally sprang to life. With Leni starting up the office's old moped, the air was a little humid, and it began with him revving the engine into a long, high-pitched screech. I don't mind that old moped is spitting out so much smoke. She doesn't care as long as it keeps the mosquitoes away. Leni is trying her absolute best to keep the sound of her little red moped steady. Leni is getting ready to finish warming up her little red moped. Just a little bit longer and the moped's temperature will be perfect. Ah, those shock absorbers feel so comfy. Once it was warm enough, she turned off the ignition